Now that we know what p-values are, the next question is, where do they come from? P-values come from statistical tests, and there are a lot of statistical tests. Our goal for this class is not to understand all of the intricacies of all of these different tests. Instead, we want to focus on the important underlying idea that the investigators did a test and got a p-value, that is the probability that the difference they saw was due to chance. For example, they may have been looking at the difference between groups. Perhaps one group got an intervention like mindfulness training and the other group didn't. The p-value represents the probability that the mindfulness intervention had no effect and that the difference they saw between groups was due to chance. As the difference between groups gets bigger, the probability that the mindfulness intervention had no effect gets smaller. Eventually, the probability, the p-value, is small enough that we reject the null hypothesis, the idea that the mindfulness intervention had no effect.